basta.
Galing mo.
Now these grippers work.
Pabay lumabas ka na ganyan.
Oo nga na, akala ko napindot ko na.
Fly, however, use their wings to fly through the
Sorry
air.
po.
That's right. That's why the sea lion and marine patrol are always out there, protecting our coral reef from poachers. So, they must swim quickly and gracefully through the water. Right now, Zoe would like to show you her smooth swimming style. Alright, Zoe, are you ready? Come on, Zoe. Come on. Hey, we're doing a show. Come on. Okay, so while waiting for Zoe, let's talk about training. So here at Ocean Adventure, we train them by voluntary cooperation. So that means we are not pushing them to cooperate with us. If they doesn't like to work, that's okay, that's their choice. So are you ready, partner? Then, hit it!
Wow! Wow! Hindi pa nabasta.
Hey guys! Would you like to see that one more time? Alright, Zoe, you ready?
Ah, daming
Whenever
tao.
you're ready. And hit it! And that's Steve and Grace, Sea Lion style. How about another round of applause for Zoe? Now, there's another feature that makes them different from a seal. Come here, guys. Their hind flippers rotate, and that makes them walk on land a lot easier. Guy, you want to show us your hind flippers, please? There you go. True seals have small front flippers, and their hind flippers don't rotate, and that makes them walk on land a little funny.
Hey, so folks, tell us, would you like to see Zoe's imitation of a seal?
Yes!
Okay, no. Would you like to see it?
Yeah!
Alright, that's much better. Okay, Zoe, you heard them, then show them. Yeah, not yet. Show them seal. Ah, there you go.
Yeah, that's a seal, alright.
And this is how a seal walks.
Like that? Wow. What an excellent imitation of a seal. Everyone on the round of applause for Officer Jason and Zoe. Alright, now Guy here's going to demonstrate to us an important skill that all members of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol must have. And that will be their remarkable self-control. Guy's going to lie down here on the deck while I place 4 juicy fish right in front of Guy's face. There you go. And the rule is, Guy can only take 1 fish at a time at the clap of my hands. Alright, Guy, ready? Take your first fish. Ooh. Okay, take your first fish. Alright. See? Second fish.
Tinatamad. Parang baboy yung uso niya. Tingnan.
Guys, you think you can fool Guy?
Tamad na.
Alright, come on, everyone clap. Try to fool Guy, come on. Louder. Oh, diba? It's really good. Hey Guy, I take your third fish. Oh, diba? And 1 more fish to go, then we are done. Last fish. Guy, did he eat the last fish? Tayo naman. Guy, tell me honestly, did you eat that last fish? A lot of people saw you. Why don't you show us what happens to bad sea lion? Yeah, palo. Of course, you're only kidding. We've never heard of animals here at Ocean Adventure, but you know what? I'm gonna give him one last chance. Over here, Guy. But this time it's gonna be more difficult because I'm gonna place this fish right on top of his big nose. Yeah. Alright? And he will not eat that fish until I clap my hands. Come on everyone, let's try to pull Kai again. Oh, diba? Alright, Kai, you can take your last fish. And that's remarkable self-control. Great job. Boy, Kai. Okay, Kai? Now, a sea lion marine butcher likes to maintain good community relations. That's why we have invited a member of the audience to meet Kai up close and personal. And here she is. Alright, Kai? And assisting you is Officer Jay. Go ahead, Kai.
Thank you so much, Officer Gio. Hi there, everyone. Good afternoon. Bye-bye. My name is Jenny, and you've already met my partner, Kai. So we're here to meet our new friend, and here she is. Hi, ma'am. Can you stand on the other side, please, and face the audience? There you go. So, ma'am, what is your name? Christine. So, Miss Christine, why don't we begin with a friendly pat on Kai's back, just like this. Come on. Move closer and give him a good rub down. There you go. Alright, so Miss Christine, is Kai nice? Yes, in fact, since you're Kai's new best friend, he would like to give you a special treat. And it's a big, wet, juicy, fishy kiss. See? So tell me, Miss Christine, are you excited for the kiss? Okay, before you do it, I'll show you first how it's done. Just lean on his thigh, offer a cheek like this, and he will kiss you very gently. You ready? Alright, come on, Miss Christine, move closer. Closer. Wala pa! Nakakaloka ka. Come on, closer, offer a cheek, and hold it. Look at the camera. Wow, that was a juicy one. So tell me, did you like his kiss? Yes, alright. Let's put it this way. If you're going to rate Kai's kiss on a scale of 1 to 10,
Tama na,
because it can be